Oh my god, another one. You're not going to stop there and block the road up, are you? You're really not. You are. You are in fact going to stop there and block the road up. Wow. Wow.
Today's video is brought to you by the A129 Duo from VFL. It features front and rear 1080p video, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth remote, collision detection, GPS, motion sensor, parking mode, a quick release mount, as well as some handy stuff in the box to get you up and running. Grab yours today using the link below.
I know, Maisie Moo, there's some excellent parking today, isn't there? There's some absolutely amazing, legendary parking today. Isn't there, Maisie Moo? Oh, now you be quiet.
Of course you've got a big bum.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a big bum.
Come on, because you just blocked the road up now, and yeah, I can't get through there. Come on. Come on. You're welcome as well. Thank you. Don't f***ing flash me and then go for it, you silly. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why would you f***ing do that? Silly bitch.
What place to park, man?
Who? This one in front?
But obviously you can park there, you're allowed, but...
This is one of them things, right? You can, but you're a dickhead for doing it.
It's just awkward, isn't it?
You can park there, but you're a dickhead for doing it.
Yeah, it's fine. I was done with that. I liked it as well, but I couldn't...
That was a red light.
There was.
Baby, lock them door and turn them lights down low. The upside of having man flu, you sound like a man. Oh, I won't be doing that again.
Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low.
We're gonna do some investigating.
Yeah?
We're gonna investigate the smoke. See what's blown up. I am fireman. Woo!
That's like proper like...
That's proper like proper, innit? It's proper like...
It's like proper pumping it out, innit?
Proper pumping out, innit?
It is though.
I wonder what it is. Do you reckon it's a house?
I don't know, because just up here is a school. There.
Or is it someone's garden?
Maybe it's someone's garden.
Maybe it's a cyclist just blown up.
Are we in somebody's house?
Huh?
Are we in somebody's house?
I think it might be. Run away! Run away!
Oh, we were so close.
Oh, we'll go around another way.
He was going to cut the
He
corner
was
then.
going to, wasn't he?
He was going to.
I made sure he didn't know.
You definitely made
I
sure
definitely did.
Look at her doing her makeup whilst driving.
Was she?
Yeah.
Silly
With a bit of a
bitch.
skirt on.
Silly bitch.
Why would you do that?
He's texting. What's she flapping about for? What does she think she's doing? Can't just direct traffic, tell them not to come down here. I want to investigate. I want to investigate. Investigate. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. We're not going to be able to see. Ah! What's that? What's that?
It's a van on a double yellow lines.
Ugh. There's some proper special ones this morning, and all the way for Kingswood there's like knobheads parked like a knobhead, being knobheads. I sound really manly today. Look me, a man.
Yeah, you are very manly today, aren't you?
Yeah, I got man flu. It's starting to come out of my voice piece now. Love you. Well, because that was like 8 months of like neck pain. What is that card? That's come down in one way, hasn't it?
Ours come down in one way.
Wow.
There's some special people about in there.
Yes. No parking. What's that? Lucy, I'm dying.
Oh, you'll be fine.
Oh no, you got such a sore throat.
Wow, thank you very much. Thank you so much. I'm never going to win or something like that. You just won it, 30 grand. Wow,
Oh, what are you in the wrong lane?
Yes. Yummy. Just before she wakes up and then she would notice. Why did she tell us to put them in?
Maybe because it was a kid, I don't know.
Good luck getting past that with a wheelchair. Dickhead.
And a buggy.
And a buggy. She's going to struggle, wouldn't she?
Yeah. Ow, you little fucking shit! What did you do that for?
The woman on the radio said to that.
Oh, if I get handprint now and telling you you're not having a good birthday tomorrow.
Alexi, retch with me.
I'll do.
Retch.
No.
Ma, do it.
What are they doing being silly?
Because I probably will get sick.
That's fucking disgusting.
What?
Look at the state of it. They just don't understand how the world works these days.
Oh, look at him.
Yeah, they do understand how the world works these days. So it's like... Oh, I see what the blockage is now. There's that clay. Look at this. Why would you do that? What's wrong with people? This is a weird place. I'm in Bristol. I'm in Bath, not Bristol. The hospital in Bath, the Royal United Hospital. They're fucking weird up here. They are proper strange. Why do you need to cut the fucking corner? Look at the size of the road, dickhead. Wow, it was a two-way road, but it can't be a two-way road anymore, can it? Jesus Christ. Look at all these incompetents everywhere. Oh, Grandad got no mirror. Oh, it's one of those days. It's one of those days. Oh, Grandma, sorry, not Grandad. Look at them all. They've just blocked that entire lane. It looks like a one-way system now, doesn't it? Jesus Christ, man, what a bunch of idiots. Then you got a special Range Rover parked in the motorcycle bay, followed by Audi. Wow. There's even like a mini parked on the path. I'm getting out of this car park. This is not normal.
How much you want it now?
Oh, bless her. She thinks she thinks it's a contactless payment pump. Oh, some people are so smart. Good number plate though.
Is it me or she's got a clue what she's doing?
I don't think she has got a clue what she's doing because she was trying to scan the. She was trying to contact this thing on the phone, and then she put the pump back, and now she's doing it again. She's filling up for a second round. She's gone round two. I don't know. Whatever. See you later, sassy bitch. I don't know. She was just like she filled it out once.
Confused, isn't
Yeah.
she?
Well, she is a learner, so let her off. But
Yeah, but it's not difficult to follow the instructions on the thing. I'll put it in the hole.
Hey.
For God's sake. That's a massive back window, mind, isn't it? She's got no seats.
I don't know. It just like it reminds me of a really like big stripper with big hips, doesn't it? Because they stick out, don't they?
See, you're comparing it to like a person, aren't you? I compare it as a face. It's like a massive smiley face, yeah?
No. prick.